مرحبا طلاب الأعزاء، لكم قطعة ستوري تايم الدرس العاشر اليونت الثالث. Things happen in nature for a reason. عندنا 4 نقاط تخص هذه القطعة. راح أضيف لكم عندكم قطع كذا نقاط تخص هذه القطعة أكتبها وأدي سائلكم. السؤال الأول question number 1. What dangerous was a pregnant deer surrounded by? Number 2. Which the dangers faced by the deer would be most afraid of? Number 3. What happened to each of the dangers faced by the deer? Number 4. How did deer face the negative thoughts and dangers? خلصنا 4 نقاط أسئلة العفو. راح نجي نقرأ القطعة ونعرف أجوبة الأسئلة من خلال القطعة. In a forest, a deer is about to give birth. She finds a remote grass field near strong flowing river. This seems a safe place. Suddenly, leopard pings began at the same moment. Dark clouds gather above and lightning starts a forest fire. She looks to her left and notes a hunter with his bow pointing at her. To her right, she spots a hungry lion approaching her. What can the pregnant deer do? She is in labor. What will happen? Will the deer survive? Will she give birth to her fawn? Will the fawn thrive, or will everything be hardened by the first fire? Is she going to be killed by the hunter's arrow? Will she die a horrible death at the hands of a hungry lion approaching her? She is trapped by the fire on one side, the fast flowing river. On the other, she is also boxed in by her natural approach. What does she do? She focuses on giving birth to a new life. Nature is blessed and always observed by God. The deer stays quiet, awaiting what will happen. Lightning suddenly strikes and burns the hunter. She releases the arrow, which dishes past in the deer and strikes the hungry lion. It starts to rain heavily. The force's fire is slowly dissipated. By the rain, the deer gives birth to a healthy fawn. A new life begins. In our lives, too, there are moments of choice when we are confronted on all sides with negative thoughts and difficult. Some thoughts are so powerful that they overcome us, making it difficult to think clearly and make sensible decisions. Maybe can learn from the deer. The bravery of the deer in that given moment was simply to give birth to her fawn. The rest was not is her hands. Any action or reaction that changed her focus would have most likely results in death or disaster. Next time, struggle with negative thoughts. Ask yourself, where is focus where? Where is your faith and hope? In the midst of any storm, do what you should do and leave the rest for God. لهنا وانتهت قطعتنا أو قصة الممتعة تخص الغزالة، وإنه ثقتنا تكون بالله سبحانه وتعالى. الكلمات اللي حاطة تحت خط رايدة ترجمة، وإن شاء الله أرسل لكم الأسئلة القطعة مع الأجوبة وأسئلة الإضافية على هاي القطعة. أراكم بالدرس القادم إن شاء الله.